Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You already have credentials. Now log in and verify your role permissions so actions will apply correctly. Once logged in, set the environment to production or staging depending on your goal, because changes differ by context. Next, import or confirm SIM ID and profile templates so you can apply policies consistently. Make sure network access and API keys are working. If not, fix connectivity now. This combination of prereqs and immediate steps prevents backtracking and lets you start configuring the dashboard without delay. Now you'll design the profile and policy logic that control SIM behavior. Start by creating or cloning a profile, entering APN settings, service restrictions, and throttles. This defines how each SIM connects and consumes data. Once profiles are ready, assign them in bulk via CSV upload or the API so you don't configure devices one by one. Preview assignments and scheduled activations to ensure timing and thresholds match your plan. Finally, enable alerts and usage caps so the dashboard will enforce limits. Finish by validating and deploying carefully. Test a small cohort to check connectivity, latency, and billing flags so you confirm real-world behavior. Once tests pass, deploy in waves and keep version snapshots and rollback steps documented. This minimizes impact if something goes wrong. If a SIM misbehaves, inspect dashboard logs and API responses to identify whether it is a profile, network, or device issue, and then revert to the known good profile as a fast mitigation. Make sure to update stakeholders once resolved.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.